Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'll talk about the peptide called Dihexa. Dihexa is a nootropic and a small peptide that has been developed by researchers at Washington State University. Dihexa has found to potently improve your cognitive function and has been studied for diseases like Alzheimer. It is orally active peptide that works through penetrating the blood-brain barrier. So it easily crosses your blood-brain barrier. It not only helps improve your overall cognition function, but it has shown improvement in repairing the brain damage, so like reversing the brain damage that you may have. Some of the benefits of Dihexa may include improved cognitive function, improved short-term and long-term memory, helps manage depression, improves brain focus, enhancing the creative thinking and social interaction, improved overall mental stamina. If you are someone looking to enhance your overall mental stamina and improving overall memory, Dihexa may be for you. Talk to your provider and see if you are a good candidate for Dihexa, or follow us for more videos.